Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Edit's weekly content ideas. To use this feature, you simply have to open Edit's application on your device. Then from your main projects board, you might want to go ahead and tap on this play like icon on the bottom navigation bar, which will send you to this inspiration option from where you can create yourselves a week worth of contents from here. You can simply find inspirations from a lot of creators over here, or just simply tap on this use template option from where you can add yourselves or create yourselves a video just quite similar to the trending reel. All you have to do is tap on this plus or add icon, then select gallery or your camera to capture one, and once you select your media, go ahead and tap on this OK button, and as you can see, the reel will be automatically created on your behalf. And that is how you can use Instagram Edits for weekly content ideas. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.